Welcome back. Let's practice. Today, we will train your ears. Easy English listening practice. Relax. Listen carefully. Focus on each sentence. Let's begin. Learning English takes time. Repeat. Learning English takes time. Again. Learning English takes time. Good. Now another sentence. I listen to English every day. Repeat. I listen to English every day. Again. I listen to English every day. Very good. Now listen carefully. Practice makes progress. Repeat. Practice makes progress. Again. Practice makes progress. Excellent. Now a longer sentence. I improve my English a little every day. Repeat. I improve my English a little every day. Again. I improve my English a little every day. Very good. Now imagine your daily routine. Say this. I wake up early in the morning. Repeat. I wake up early in the morning. Again. I wake up early in the morning. Excellent. Now continue. I drink coffee and start my day. Repeat. I drink coffee and start my day. Again. I drink coffee and start my day. Very good. Now listen carefully. I like learning new words. Repeat. I like learning new words. Again. I like learning new words. Excellent. Now another sentence. I try to speak English every day. Repeat. I try to speak English every day. Again. I try to speak English every day. Good. Now say this slowly. Small practice creates big results. Repeat. Small practice creates big results. Again. Small practice creates big results. Very good. Listening every day helps your brain understand English faster. Continue listening. Now let's continue our listening practice. Remember the rule. Listen carefully, then repeat. Let's begin. Learning slowly is still learning. Repeat. Learning slowly is still learning. Again. Learning slowly is still learning. Good. Now another sentence. I enjoy practicing English. Repeat. I enjoy practicing English. Again. I enjoy practicing English. Very good. Now listen carefully. Every day I learn something new. Repeat. Every day I learn something new. Again. Every day I learn something new. Excellent. Now imagine your daily activities. Say this. I read English sentences. Repeat. I read English sentences. Again. I read English sentences. Very good. Now continue. I listen to English podcasts. Repeat. I listen to English podcasts. Again. I listen to English podcasts. Excellent. Now another idea. I try to understand the meaning. Repeat. I try to understand the meaning. Again. I try to understand the meaning. Good. Now listen carefully. Understanding comes with practice. Repeat. Understanding comes with practice. Again. Understanding comes with practice. Very good. Now say this sentence slowly. I feel more confident every week. Repeat. I feel more confident every week. Again. I feel more confident every week. Excellent. Now remember something important. Your brain learns by hearing English again and again. The more you listen, the easier it becomes. Continue listening. Now let's finish today's listening practice. Listen carefully, then repeat. Let's begin. Learning English is a journey. Repeat. Learning English is a journey. Again. Learning English is a journey. Good. Now another sentence. Every day I become a better learner. Repeat. Every day I become a better learner. Again. Every day I become a better learner. Excellent. Now listen carefully. Small steps create big progress. Repeat. Small steps create big progress. Again. Small steps create big progress. Very good. Now say this sentence. I am proud of my progress. Repeat. I am proud of my progress. Again. I am proud of my progress. Excellent. Now one more sentence. Consistency is the key to success. Repeat. Consistency is the key to success. Again. Consistency is the key to success. Great. Remember this. Listening practice trains your ears. Repetition trains your speech. Daily practice builds confidence, and confidence leads to fluency. Keep practicing. Keep listening. Keep improving. Remember this. Easy daily listening practice is one of the fastest ways to improve your English. If you enjoyed this lesson, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new English listening practice. Keep practicing, and I will see you in the next lesson.